Oh, there we go. Day two. Day two of the pull down. Well, day two. Afternoon two of the pull down, because I only got afternoons. It's hooked on the stand around there, so I'm pulling. 1998 two-stroke hard enduro EXC build. So this is going to be my hard enduro bike, guys. Anyway, fan's going to go orange, needs a bit of attention. Other than that, it's actually not in bad condition. Like usually under here you find where they're really bad. It's literally just grime, there's no rust. Look at the paint under that, it's still fresh as fuck. So, engine is coming out right here, right now, and they probably take me about half an hour if I get into it. So, when we get into it, wiring's got to come off first, radiators, exhaust, carburetor, and then pull the engine, 2 engine bolts and pull it out. And done. So, let's get on to that, and yeah, Bob's your auntie.
King of the road, trailer for sailoring, man, trailer for sailoring, ain't got no cigarettes, but trailer for sailoring. Give, man, don't pay no, trailer for sailoring.
Okay, we are there. Motor's ready to get unbolted and come out. Just gonna take the exhaust off real quick. Take the motor out and done. Cover it all back up. Make sure all the holes on the motor's plugged back up. All that, and then get into it. Drop the... I'm not gonna get into it till the weekend, even though tomorrow is my... tomorrow is Friday technically because Anzac Day, so I don't know if I'll continue it on Thursday, Friday. I might, or I might just wait till Saturday, Sunday. But it's looking pretty good. Everything's in good condition. Pretty good condition for 1998, like all the wires and all that. It's the wiring harness down here, what I got to sort out. So, bit of wiring to look out and sort out, because all electrics got to be working. That's all the main stuff down there for the engine to actually run. So I got to make sure all that's lined up. The trick that I did was just the main stuff to start the engine, tape that white, and the other ones, where is it, black, which is, where is it, it's just free connections, free dummy connections there. Is that it? Yeah, those are those, but oh, there, right there. So, you see black tape, and where is it? There should be another one with black tape in here somewhere. There's one of these. I have to look through them, find out. Or is it on here? Oh yeah, it is. It's right there. So, white tape, black tape. Getting confused already. It's pretty easy. You can look at diagrams, but they all coloured matched and all colour matched on that side. So black, white. What am I looking at? White. And I already lost black. Black, white, black. Okay. Anyway, that's confusion because it's a lot going on. Can't really do it on camera because you get confused in what you're trying to show. Anyway, so the engine's got to come out. So just trying to figure out, is the power valve cover going to be in the way? It looks like it might. God damn it. It's legitimately 2 screws to get it off though, but it's dirt. I think it's, yeah, 2 Allen keys and a screw on top. But anyway, let's crack it out.
King of the road, trailer for sailoring, man, trailer for sailoring, ain't got no cigarettes, but trailer for sailoring. Give, don't pay no, trailer for sailoring, trailer for sailoring, ain't got no, trailer for sailoring. Give, man, me, by no, give. of sailoring. Ain't got no cigarettes, but give man me back. Don't pay trailer of sailoring. Rules to let trailer of sailoring. Ain't got no trailer of sailoring. Give man of me by no means. Give the road. King of the road.
Engine. Okay. 250. 2-stroke. Engine is out of the frame and ready to be rebuilt. I'll give it a quick clean down over the next couple of days. And then crack that head off on the weekend. This bad boy is coming off. I got to do water pump seal. I got to do top end, obviously. Might have to send the head away yet. Power valve will need to be sprucing up. Get all the old paint off. Respray. Well, I think I'm going to just go with a shiny looking motor. I could even just go like black again on the sides. Keep it like that. New boot. New fucking reeds. I get new reeds and I get new boot for it. Because I would say I'd need that stuff. And yeah. But oh, and I need to replace seal. Take Kickstarter off. Should have checked crank seals while the engine's out. While the engine was in and run it and check the crank seals, but that's a bit late now anyway. So oh well. Other than that, yeah. Get the top end done. Figure out this clutch and how it works. Things like that. Yes. But we'll get it done.
King of the road. Trailer of sailoring. Man, trailer of sailoring. Ain't got no cigarettes, but trailer of sailoring. Give man of me back. Don't pay no trailer of sailoring. Trailer of sailoring.
There we go, that's the crank. I can sort of see the bottom of the bore there. That's the crank in there though, it's looking a bit dry in there. Fuck, it's pretty dry in there, guys. Keen to see how that crank's gonna look. But yes, that's the crank right there. Oh, it's terrible. Right there, that's the crank. And we will find out its condition, but you can see the bore. It's not bad down the bottom here, I suppose, but yeah. I think it's in gear. It is. That's it. So the reeds are out, they have never been replaced. KTM. Yes, that will do it for tonight anyway. I'll finish the rest of the video most likely tomorrow. Or I'll let you know in about 10 minutes if this is the end of this video and it'll be a part 3. But yes, just a little bit worried now about that crank because it's looking mighty dry. And that should be pretty good though because the bearing's just down there and it doesn't look like it's that worn in there. So anyway guys, that wraps it up for this one. We got it out. It's on the bench now. Frame's there. It's ready for the headset to come off and respraying of the frame happening. And yeah, organise all the parts and everything, which they all fit in that box. everything will come off this bike fit in that box. Exhaust, radiators, everything in that box. Swing arm, carburetor in there on that. Wheels, tank, subframe and plastics. And seat up there. Engine there. And battery here, which I'm going to put. Just slap it there for now, safe. Yes, so I'm happy it's out. I'm just going to cover up where the reeds go, because obviously you don't want that fucking exposed. But and then yeah, keep clean the engine ready for the rebuild. But anyway guys, thank you. Right, and go have a shower on that. But yeah, we're all done for now. Until next time. But yes, we should. I think I'll continue off tomorrow afternoon with this same video. So I'll see you then.